Inkhalakliba Maheiroi Singna Mahei Khak Tambagi Mahut Lamdam asida Thokliba issue Kayagi Maramdasu Khangjinba Mathou tai haina fast track court crime against women Manipur ge additional session judge Asem Taruna Kumari na Fongdorakli Wafamasi project Z na Sinduna empowering youth for a better future haiba theme da numit humni chupna Manipur University gi Manipur Institute of Management Studies ki conference hall da chathagadaba ani suba D16 Youth Summit 2026 hagdokpagi thorom da Fongdokibani Manipur University Students Union Musu Manipur State Legal Services Authority MASLSA Manipur Lenga ke Social Welfare Department Directorate of Environment and Climate Change Committee ang makhada sinba thoram aduda Project Z gi Chairman Longjam Samson amadi Musu gi Literary and Publication Secretary Sidananda Sarang Themsu Sarukyaki Tongan ba school kuntra dagi lakpa Maheiroi kaya na Sarukyaki ba thoram aduda Additional Section Judge Asem Taruna Kumari na hai landam asida nong makangda na Thokliba issue kaya si Thokanda na ba Mathou karam na hotnagani amadi karam na thengnagada haiba si Maheiroi Singna Khangjinba Mathou tai tunggi yumbi oira kadawriba Maheiroi Singna hojek Mahei masing Khak tamdo na laibagi matam natre leiriba issue kaya Khangjinba tangai fadre haiki Maheiroi Singda kanagada ba program kaya project Z na silakba asimag apaba khongthang amani haina mahak na fongdokhi
Kalida Sotani, Kali Wali, a Queen's Night already Parakani, maybe ideas, seeing actually was it, maybe she went to die, and should just a silent spectator when the neighbor because you are gaining knowledge, you are studying, you have seen what is good, what is bad, but you are seeing now what are resource persons, technical sessions now, Today is the legal the Indian Constitution was a last shore fundamental rights and duties in Matang the Tambagi. So opportunity at all was in the students in the hanging questions to be the little questions hanging back hanging or resource to the Malaka, the Khangjinba.